Guys, today I'm going to show you how to cook a living lobster and how to clean it, and we will do it in the most humane way possible. All you need is a big pot, heavy knife and a lobster pick. In the first place we need a pot with boiling water. So before you're going to cook the lobster, it's important to know what you're going to do afterwards with it. So there are different recipes with lobster, but if you just want to have it like boiled and cooked, you count 5 minutes for lobsters of 400 to 500 grams, and for each 100 grams more, you count 1 minute more to boil the lobster. So to quickly kill a lobster, you stab the lobster 2 centimeters behind his eyes, and immediately after, you put the lobster with the head down in the boiling water, lid on. So first step, I take off the rubber band. So break off, twist the claws of the lobster. So with the claws, with the body side, we have the tail, we have the legs. So now I twist off the tail side. And I break off the legs, 8 legs, first tail. And I just press on it. And I break it open. Now you peel the shell from the tail until you reach the end part of the tail. You press on it, the whole tail comes out. So then we're going to clean the 2 claws. So you crack the claw and make sure you take the blade out. Now I take the back side of my heavy knife and I gently hit on the claw until it breaks. Take the other side until it breaks, and you take off the shell. Break the knuckle, and now you gently take out the meat of the shell. So the first claw, claw number 2. You break off all the knuckles. Now you use your lobster pick and take out the meat. Take out the blade claw meat. So we have 8 legs. Many people throw it away. Don't do it. They're full of delicious lobster meat. You break the segments and you simply press on it. And you see, the lobster meat comes out. This is the way how we cook and clean a lobster, and see you next time for more tips.